Hey everybody, it's Neil and we are in the workshop today, and check out what I have here. This is, it says magnetic socket organizer. Sockets are not included, and I'll show you guys what's inside here. So inside here we have, looks like 3 of each. So we have this here, which is all the different socket sizes. These are the regular ones. We have some little ones here for the little metric ones. We have some for the little regular ones. That's good that they're separated by different colors. And then we have these ones here, which are for the bigger metric stuff. And it looks like we have lots of different ones. It looks like these are going to be just repeats of the same. So we have 3 each of the big ones and then 1 each of the small ones. So let me scoot that over here and I'll show you guys what they are. That just fell down, but okay. So if I have a socket here, say this one here is, of course it doesn't say. Let's try this one here. It probably says what it is. Boy, I can't read it.
Let's see which it fits.
Oh, it says 1/2. Okay, so we have a 1/2 inch one. So this is regular size 1/2 inch. So if I have a 1/2 inch right there, it'll fit into there. And so I could just put it in and have it do that. This one here would probably be more for this size here. I could fit it right there. And it magnetizes, see, so I can put it upside down and it'll hold it in place. So that's kind of cool for that. I can do other sizes here. What is this one here? This one here says, I don't know what any of these sizes say. They're too small. But once it's in a space, if this was 3/8, I would know, because then I would say 3/8. And what's cool about these is they're magnetic. So if I had it here and I had it here, I can go ahead and magnetize those onto our wall. Is metal, so it just stays on there. And we can just put all the different sockets that we need in the different places that they are. And it's gonna hold them all into place. And what's cool about this is they're not gonna fall out. So I can put this in the bottom of my drawer instead of my, the drawer, or we can put it on the wall like this. I can put it this way, probably. Maybe that way I'd want it. I don't know, just so that I can see it a little easier. I don't even know what some of these sockets are that I'm putting in there. But you see, you can put up all of them up here. And these aren't even on the full solid metal. You see, they're just on 2 little beams here. It's a corrugated metal wall. So it holds really well onto pretty much anything. So these are great little apparatuses here. And so I can do the metric and the regulars and put them wherever. And I know black or metric and the whatever that is, yellow or orange or whatever color this is here, is the SAE ones. So how cool is all that? So super cool setup here, and you can just put all your sockets, and then you'll never lose them. At least you might lose them, but at least you'll know which ones you have and which ones are missing based on their place in the thing. So super cool. I love it. Thumbs up.